Here's my exhaust system, my pipe anyway. I got my hardware all laid out here. Got my springs, bolts, and here's what the exhaust donuts to seal it. This is the part that goes on the manifold. That goes right there. Here's one of the donuts. So the way it goes is like this. So the tapered goes inside, and the flat is on the outside. And that goes onto your manifold. Now the other donut, which is this one right here, goes on the other end of the pipe. And the flat goes on top right here. Should go nice and snug right there, and that fits into your muffler. Well, I got the ATV hopefully dialed in. It starts good, runs good. Got all the parts in. Got the front end alignment hopefully good. I won't know until I drive it. So there's a couple of tricks online how to do it. I'm not going to go into details because I'm having a hard time following the descriptions there. But what I've done is I visually looked at the front end like I'm showing you right now, and both tires seem to be pretty well the same, and I measured the tie rods and did some adjustments a little bit here and there. But I guess what will be able to tell me how it goes is when I take it out for a drive and see if it pulls left or right, and I'll go from there. So all the oils have been changed, everything's put back together pretty well, oil wise. All the oil's in, tires are in, just starting to put the plastic back in, and exhaust is in, and it's not leaking anymore, so it's a lot quieter. And yeah, so it's coming along, but really everything's still an unknown until I get it out on the trail and drive it and see what happens. So when I get back to putting it together, I'm not going to bother showing you that. I mean, it's pretty basic. What I've done to help myself out is I labeled everything. Like for example, this bag of bolts, that's for the front plastics. This bag here is for the front carrier. So that way I'm not spending a lot of time looking for bolts and see what fits where. But anyway, that's it for now, and next video should be of me testing it out, see how it goes.